of you.
Good morning.
Myself Akshay Raut. We are gathered for air debate, sir. So my post is Yusuf, sir. In my view, people are responsible for the road accident because government are already taken a decision. Very nice road are happened in previous 5 years. So in my view, people are also have had the accident on road, on which nice road. So in my view, the people are most responsible for the accident.
I totally disagree with your point because, as my opinion, because government is responsible because so many people give bribe to the police officers and they take money for the government officers and they drive without license. So many people drive the car and so many boozers are give the bribe to the policeman and they allow to the drive and that's why it's so many accidents.
But people,
right now.
but people use the bribe to the police. So that's the mistake of people, not government. So in my view, people are responsible. So in that case also, people are responsible.
Government already.
Government, there is no rules are written in government. So give the 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, only 200 rupees for if you are not having the license in one case. So government has already ruled, but people are responsible because people thought our 500 instead of giving the 500 rupees to the police, so we give the 100 rupees and our money will save. So in that case also people are responsible.
But there is a government is most responsible because if means government do a strict action on those people and those police officers who get a bribe for and allow that persons, it's a risk. As my opinion, it's a major role play in the road sector.
In my view, before 5 years, Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis take a decision. If people not having helmet, so will be punishable for I think 2,000-3,000 rupees for one person. If you are not driving license, so also Devendra Fadnavis take a decision. So up to 5,000 rupees he had to pay. So in that case, what happened? So people are totally opposed to them. So government take a decision, but people what said? People say that if you are not having the license, so how many rupees you paid? So in that case also people are responsible. Government take decision,
Let I explain you why government is responsible. Because government have so many amount and they can advertise the real facts. Okay, if government advertise and so many awareness campaign, if a government provide to the every government sector and colleges, schools, then it's a very good for every person.
Already government it's not
it's only for paperwork.
No, not paperwork.
It's
If you are going on any road, so in every in every 500 meter you get the some structure like red light are given or any what you said any sign you have to stop. The breaker are within 500 meter.
Rules regulation board.
Yes, rules regulation board. In only 500 meter we see, but we not follow them. Because that's the mistake of people.
No.
Yeah,
Why it's happened? Because of the unawareness. If the government provide awareness campaign on the villages, schools, then it's a very good for every person.
In every ad, government run a
no, it's only small ads. No, there is no more ads.
No,
only some ads.
Yeah, most of the ads.
And that ads only
Why
the animated ads. That's not understandable for the poor persons.
No, what happened if you want to take the license, so we go to the office and we have no patience to listen them. Also, if you are going for office to take the license, so in that case also helmet are not present with people. So there are no the major there are no rules.
So that is the big mistake of government.
That's the big mistake of people, because without helmet, people are not allowed to drive the. That's
If
the
government
mistake.
officer they are
There is no helmet in the driving trial. They give trial. Okay,
Yeah.
but who is responsible? Responsible is the RTO.
No,
Who is the
no,
present and
he
they see
give-
the driving of
he-
the student and
But
who
he
want
not
to get a
allowed.
license from the RTO.
No, if the person have not the helmet, so he not allow them to give the trial. He reject them. But people thought by the help of middle person, they give the brief to the middle person, and after that middle person, he give the money.